Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to be sharing with you how I make this power packed goodness for hair growth. So all you need is a neem leaf. If you are like me that you have leaf plants around you, you can get yours as mine, dry it up and then make your neem powder yourself. But if you cannot get it, you can just go to the organic store and get neem powder. So you hair dry the neem leaf immediately after you get it. Hair dry it, don't sun dry it, don't put it directly under the sun, just hair dry it. So right now I am going to be removing the leaf from the stem. Neem is a nature's care to all hair and scalp problems. Neem is packed with antioxidants that prevent hair loss. Neem promotes hair growth and prevents hair baldness. So if you have issues with growing your hair, this recipe is all you need. It has regenerative properties that support healing cells division and stimulates hair follicle growth and functions. It also helps in countering hair thinning caused by pollution, stress, medications. So neem regulates all those problems. So regular application of neem promotes thicker, stronger and then more luxurious hair growth. So if this is what you need, just keep watching, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell so that whenever I upload video, you'll be the first to see. So right now I'm going to be blending my neem powder, my neem leaf. So you can see how fine it is. Just make sure to keep blending till it is very, very fine. So you can see how smooth and fine this is. Put 2 tablespoons of neem powder in a bowl. Then add 1 cup of lukewarm water. Then stir together. Mix well. Make sure you incorporate the powder very well into the water. It might take time, but just keep mixing it till the powder is fully incorporated into the water. So you cover it up for 1 hour. So mix very well again and then save it to remove all the grainy stuffs inside, just to make sure the water comes out smooth. Is it smooth? So application of neem into your hair promotes thick hair, gives thick hair, strong and then more luxurious look kind of hair. So this is a very good treatment for your hair. And then also, neem conditions dry hair. So if you have dry frizzy hair, you can also use this on your hair. It will really condition your hair. So right now I'll be pouring the mixture inside my spray bottle, and then I'll be spraying it on my hair. So apart from the conditioning benefit of neem for hair, it also helps with dandruff and itching. If you have issues with dandruff, scalp itching, this is also good for you. So dandruff are caused by fungi. Neem is very effective against this fungi due to the antifungal property that is inside neem. So neem provides relief from inflammation, itchiness, and irritations that result from dandruff. Neem also treats hair lice. It treats scalp infections and then prevents premature graying. So once you apply neem to your hair, massage it very well into your scalp and your hair, and make sure you saturate your hair with it very well. Then you put your hair in a plastic bag on a shower cap or something like that, and then you leave it for like 1 hour for the magic to work on your hair before you rinse it off. Regular application of this gives thick and stronger hair. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.